Hi guys, this is Kathy. Welcome back to my channel, Kathy's Fit. I'm just here today with an update on my surgery. I did have surgery today, Friday, May 24th in the morning. Around 9 a.m. I had to be there at the hospital and they performed surgery and I came back home around 4 today. I'm okay for now. They gave me general anesthesia and also a nerve block on my leg, on my right leg, so I'm pretty numbed. I'm just starting to feel my toes now because they numb me out really, really well. I can barely move my toes, and which is good though for the pain because I'm not in pain yet. They did fix my ligaments on my right ankle, on my foot, so hopefully I'm on the road to recovery. It's just gonna take between 3 months to 6 months, so we'll see. I'm gonna need PT and a bunch of other things, so we'll take it day by day. But I'm gonna be back making some videos for you guys over the weekend. I might do some DIYs, and I'll do some Dollar Tree hauls videos next week, beginning Monday probably. And so just an update. And also I wanted to say thank you to my husband because he has been wonderful. He's been caring for me. He's probably thinking, why did I say in sickness and in health at church when we got married? Because he is